Hey everyone, Jordan Overby.
And Jim Cook, the Utility Service Agency.
Some of the utilities that we work with have expressed concerns over the future of SF6 and oil and their substations and the maintenance that goes along with them and the environmental impacts.
So today we're here in Great Court, South Carolina at the new Meiden factory. Meiden has been providing vacuum interrupter and vacuum breakers to the U.S. market since about 2007. Today they can now provide the bushing CTs, they can wire up, do the wiring, do the bushings, do the testing, the field service, and the parts, all here from South Carolina.
So like Jim said, made here in South Carolina, this is the 72 kV breaker, rated for 2,000 or 3,000 amps and 40 kA. And it's 40 operations at 40 kA. Here's the spring operator. And then at that same time here in South Carolina, you got a 38 kV breaker, a 72, and a 145, all made here.
So Meiden can now provide a complete solution to the U.S. market from South Carolina with zero greenhouse gas emissions. And other than that, thanks for your time.
Thank you.